When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, Zoho Desk and Freshservice are two of the most popular options that businesses often turn to. But which one really stands out? Let's break down their strengths and weaknesses to find out. Zoho Desk offers a solid, customizable platform that makes managing customer support tickets easy. One of its standout features is its automation. You can set up triggers and workflows to automate repetitive tasks, saving you a lot of time. But here's the catch: while the platform is customizable, it can get overwhelming for new users. The interface is somewhat cluttered, which could be a turnoff if you're just starting out. Next thing, Freshservice brings a sleek, modern interface that's really user-friendly. Its IT service management capabilities are top-notch, especially for businesses in need of asset management and incident tracking. It's intuitive, and onboarding is quick, which makes it great for small to mid-sized teams. But Freshservice does lack some of the flexibility that more advanced users might need, especially if you want to customize it for more specific business processes. Now, let's talk about integrations. Zoho Desk integrates well with the entire Zoho suite, which is fantastic if you're already using other Zoho products like Zoho CRM. It also integrates with third-party apps, but some users have reported glitches during syncing. So, it works well, but sometimes you might have to troubleshoot a little. Freshservice, on the other hand, shines in the integrations department. It's compatible with a wide variety of third-party applications, and the integration process is relatively seamless. If you're using tools like Slack, G Suite, or Jira, Freshservice connects with them effortlessly, giving you a more unified experience across different software platforms. The next thing is pricing. Zoho Desk is quite affordable, especially for small businesses and startups. The plans are tiered, so you can start with something basic and upgrade as your needs grow. But for all that flexibility, you're getting just a bit less than what you might expect from some of its higher-end competitors. It's affordable, but you might need to spend extra to unlock advanced features. Freshservice is more expensive, but offers a more polished experience, especially when it comes to IT management. It's tailored more for mid to large-size enterprises, so if you're a smaller business or just starting out, you might find it difficult to justify the cost. But for businesses that need more advanced capabilities, the higher price might be worth it. And finally, customer support. Both Zoho Desk and Freshservice offer 24/7 support through live chat, email, and phone. However, Zoho Desk's customer service is often critiqued for slower response times. Freshservice has a reputation for better customer support, but again, it's not perfect. Expect some delays, especially during peak hours. So, which is the best help desk software? Both Zoho Desk and Freshservice have their merits, but after trying both of them, I can confidently say that there's a better alternative out there. These tools are good for certain use cases, but if you're looking for something that really ticks all the boxes and provides a smoother experience, you should definitely check out the link in the description. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial available only through our link and see how it compares for yourself. I've tested all of them, and I recommend trying the software I'm linking to, as it offers a better overall experience for managing customer support and service management. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your customer service game.